Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna be going home and seeing what's gonna happen. Oh my god! Oh my god! Godzilla! Oh, jeez! Oh my god, he's powerful! Oh, he's just waiting for us. He just stuck his hand up. Okay. Well, I handle this. On him. What if I just make like a I don't know. Like hi, I like your eyes, man. But I want to get rid of that thing. I feel kind of bad for this man. Oh, look at him. Okay, anyways, we gotta stop him. Okay. Oh! He just slammed his face onto me. Wow. What I'll do then. We're waiting for a crossbow. Vector. Shoot him with vector. How do I kill him? Does that do anything? Yay! Oh, it just shakes him. Damn, it's not there for business yet. Blow up! Look up there from now on. I want your hand to be up your hand. Go up. Roar like you're a little scary dinosaur. Like those days where I should have just it's equal. Okay, so now he's happy Godzilla. He can't even move. But then we have this tail situation back there. And that just me sorted. There we go. You will make a great statue. Okay, let's see. What if I turn him into an evil object? No, he's already evil enough. Yeah, he's evil enough. No way am I gonna liquefy him. Atomic AC, fire tornado. Heck yeah. Did you even start? What are you doing? Godzilla, you can't even shoot me. Okay, the fire tornado is definitely started. Hold on, let me restart this really quickly, just to make this a little better. I didn't even know he was gonna be there. I just joined into the world and he was there. He was just waiting for me. Waiting for my recording to start. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna start the fire. The Great Chicago Fire. If I can figure out how. No, I'm not using the Is that gonna start a big fire? Fire. Fire. Boring. Oh, magic wand. What does that do? What do you do? What can I do with you? Can I, like, change what this does? Magicify! What is happening? Oh! Oh my god! Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Oh! No wonder I have the power boost. Is that another one? This thing is dangerous. I'm not building it. Guys, this is on my power boost. It's definitely. God! Sorry, I keep restarting it. I know. Don't yell at me. Don't. Actually, yes, yell at me in the comments. Very loud. Go. Oops. Well, there we go. Where did it hit? Did it go anywhere? What is happening? I feel like something's happening, but nothing happened. Oh! It's all on fire. That's all that happened. That's literally all that happened. That's really cool. Oh, magnetizer. That. Pull together. If we go down, then we'll go down together. If all those things I said are true, then that will be a header. Armageddon. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the city now, guys. I'll see you in the city. I've been searching for hours for the city and I can't find it. What's this? What's this? Is this a pretty good durability walls? What about their plants? Are they durable? I know. What about the cactuses? Cactuses, nah. Oh, hi townsman. What's your name? Billy. I hate anyone whose name is Billy. If I just... Yee, here we go. Yee. Go. Man, what's your town? Ow, you hurt my legs. Okay, now you don't have any legs. So what's with this town? It's called the town of Billy's. Do you have any food for me, sir? Or I'm gonna shoot a cluster charge through you. You want me to do that? Sure, what's a cluster charge? Oh, look it. It's the head of Billy number 2. Hold on. Put you right there. Open up, I say. Okay, I'm gonna lift you up and high. Nice and high. Up here. Bye, Billy. You really made a dent in the ground. Okay, so where do we go? What's your name? Jimmy. Timmy. Jimmy, Timmy, Wimmy, Philly. Where's your brother? What's your brother's name? We have another brother. Yeah, his name is Billy. Where is he? He should be over there by the house. Like he should be like over there. Okay, you don't want to go and see don't go see your brother. Your brother's in bad shape right now. He's in bad shape. He doesn't have a brain, I'll tell you that. He doesn't have a skull either. Okay, cool. He's probably playing another trick on us, right, Timmy? Yeah, Jimmy. Okay, bye. Ooh, look, it's a temple. Wonder if I can steal some loot from here. What? Can't even grab anything with my physics gun. That's bad. Did it just do that? Did it really just do that? Is it really cutting the whole ground right now? How deep does this ground go? Timmy, Jimmy, do you know any of the whereabouts about this town? Oh. Okay. How deep does this go? Okay, it goes down to bedrock, which should be right there. Okay. I'm going back to this town. Wait. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna do something. Hold on. I'm just gonna. I'm coming in, Timmy. Oh, I'm so sorry. I started a little miniature Great Chicago Fire, but it's all good. Okay, what's down here? What's down here? Oops. Help! Mama. Okay. Well, that's really disappointing. Okay, sorry about your great temple. If you worshipped a god here or something, but yeah, that god's not gonna be in shape. Timmy. I'm gonna spy on these people. Timmy, guess what? Remember that man we met earlier? He was psycho. He was really psycho. I'm gonna murder him. I'm gonna murder you. Oh my god, that fire was hard. I will burn down this city. I need a real city. Not just some stupid village here. Duh, burn, Timmy, burn. Okay. Do I have anything else here that might satisfy me? Oh, look at. Okay, let's see. Whole lifetime? I don't want it to be that long. Like 32 seconds. Maximum range. Starting mass. Okay, I'm gonna do the black hole, just normal black hole, and we'll see how this goes. Keep doing the wrong button. Okay, Timmy, town of Billy, you lived a nice life, but now it's time to die. Is that really it? Whole vaporized? Okay, hold on. Whole lifetime, all the way up to that. Okay. Oh! The little silly plant right there just did something. I think I know a way to destroy Godzilla now. Hopefully he doesn't find me. The town of Billy was really stupid though. I didn't really like it. I wonder how Billy's doing over there. I don't know. I don't like Billy. He was in bad shape when I met him. Bad shape. You see, he was eating too much. He was getting too strong, and he was about to kill me, so I had to do it. I had to kill him. I had to break his skull with a crossbow. God, this is getting really out of hand. This thing is becoming really big. Man, wouldn't it be a shame to anyways guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Sorry, it was on a really rough end, but I'll see you next time. Bye.